Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to level up fast on Monopoly. So for this, I have few ways by which you can level up fast in your Monopoly Go. So let's begin the process. Open your Monopoly app. After it open, one of the best way is try to build new buildings by tapping on the build icon, which is at the bottom left. And here you can see all building, tap on these and upgrade all one by one. Before tapping on any building, check my start 62. If I upgrade a building here, you can see the stars have been increased to 63. So upgrade all the building. It's the best way to level up in Monopoly. The next way is try to complete your daily quest. And how can you see your quest? Simply tap on this win icon, which is on the bottom left. Once you will tap on that, you can see your daily quest. When you will complete these, you will get XP, dices and cashes in Monopoly. And when you own cash, then you can build more buildings. Today I spent almost 1 hour in playing Monopoly, and my level was 20, and after playing an hour, I built buildings and completed my daily quest. And my level increased to 63. So it was the basic way by which you can level up fast in Monopoly Go.